Zeros and Precision in Calculations by Talia Champion. Zeros. What are they good for? Zeros are significant if found between significant digits. Here we have an example of that, 1001. The zeros are made significant by the significant digits on the outside of them. Zeros to the right of the decimal are not just placeholders. We have an example of that here, 0.0159. Zeros after numbers and a decimal are significant figures. We have an example of that here, 126.00. Zeros after numbers but before decimals are significant figures. We have an example of that here. Precision defined. Refinement in a measurement, calculation, or specification, especially as represented by the number of digits given. Why is precision in calculation so important? Precision and accuracy are important when performing calculations because imprecise measurements don't properly identify random errors. Accuracy represents how close a measurement comes to its true value. Precision in scientific investigations is important to ensure we are getting accurate results. Consider the following example. You're trying to figure out how much you weigh, but the scale is set to display your weight in kilograms. You recall that 1 kilogram equals about 2.2 pounds. Here's the math to support that. 2.2 times 150 kilograms equals 330 pounds. But really, 1 kilogram equals 2.20462 pounds, and the total weight in pounds is 330.6. The difference in the outcome may seem insignificant, but think of the outcome of experiments could be skewed if there isn't precision in calculations.